y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katherine. This is Just Being Katherine. This is a channel where I show you easy DIYs, home decor on a budget, and sometimes I like to share encouraging messages through a creative form. Today's video, I will be tackling over my home office space and giving it a relatively huge refresh just in enough time for summer. I'm going to show you how I even went about starting this refresh. There are going to be new colors in this room, new products, but before you watch this video, if you have not seen the original makeover of this home office makeover I made over the entire space on a budget of only $300, I'm gonna link it right here so that you can watch it first, because this video is gonna pick up from where I left off and how I grown from out of this space. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are aware every single time I upload a video, because you can be subscribed to me, but if I upload a video you can miss it, so you want to make sure you hit that notification bell. This is kind of embarrassing, but this is the reality of being a creative and transitioning and growing. So basically I've outgrown this space and I realized over time what I needed. When I originally did the space, I literally started from scratch. I love the space, I love the DIYs that I did, but after being in this for about a year, I realized quickly that something had to give. In addition to just outgrowing this space, COVID happened. And my husband started to work from home and he needed some of the items out of this room, so I had to give them to him, which left me without those essential items. So check out his makeover right here as I transformed our 25 square foot sunroom into a home office space. So the original desk is gone and has been replaced with a temporary card table. And here I've been using it as a workspace to make DIYs. As long as I have been alive, I have never had a proper sitting chair. A task chair, a comfortable chair. I've always used alternatives just because I'm new to this entrepreneur thing, and I never thought I needed to have a task chair. And along the lines of needing a chair, I'm also looking for a desk that has storage. So the first thing that I like to do is start with the mood board. I always start with a mood board before I start any project. I've been sitting here for like the past 4 to 5 hours coming up with an entire new mood board. I just want to do something different. I want it to be more mature, more me, and I know exactly what I need and what I don't need. It's so important for me this time around to get a desk and a chair. My back hurts on our couch because I sit there for hours in a day and it's not good. It doesn't support my back. And I want a desk. I love the desk that my husband gave me. He's actually using that right now. It's so easy for anyone's space to clutter up when there isn't a space for your items. My theory this time around is what purpose will it serve and where is it going to be displayed and or stored? So I challenge you to ask yourself those questions when you are shopping for a new item or when you find it hard to get rid of your old items. It's President's Day. Target actually has the Laura desk on sale. It's 20% off, and then I just received a message that I'm gonna get additional 5% off. It used to be Cartwheel, but now it's Circle Rewards. I also have additional 5% because of my red card. Whew, why am I out of breath? Well, that's because I ran down the stairs. Y'all, I am so excited. It came down to this desk because of the wood and the black legs. Absolutely love it. It came with drawers as well. It's super affordable and it's on sale right now. So I'm just so darn happy that it's at Target, and Target has this sale that's going on right now. It's right here. So now I just need to find somebody to help me pick this up because it is so heavy. Okay, let me go find somebody. You on camera, people watching you. Just do it. I ain't gonna edit these parts out. With this desk so much. This is my first desk like ever in life. This is the dry erase board that I pick up at Michael's. This is the wall here. It's super bare. So cool to be sitting at my desk right now. I think that's all we're gonna do for today. Got some plants, put up the dry erase and corkscrew board, build a desk, and clean up the room a bit. So today was productive. I'm very satisfied with it. The only hold up now is I'm on Facebook Marketplace hoping that somebody purchased this futon. Made our first Facebook Marketplace exchange. And I got rid of the futon, the day bed that I used in all the pictures that was on front of this wall. These girls drove an hour and a half to come and get this couch. I was like, Lord, let them like this couch. Today is May 20th. So I'm still waiting for some of my orders to come in. So far, I was able to order my desk chair that I've been looking for since January. You guys can hear me. So I just came out of World Market and I have a general idea of the type of chair that I want. Want it to be swivel where I can adjust it up and down and move around in it, and it has to support my back and butt. So I don't think I'm gonna go with like a dining room chair because I'm gonna be doing a lot of sitting down. I thought that it was gonna go on sale, so I waited, and then it ended up going out of stock twice, and because of COVID it was pushed back and wasn't supposed to get here into June, but I just got a notification in my email 3 days ago and I like ordered it and got it 46% off, which I'm very happy with. Look how pretty she is. When you enjoy the little things, it make a big difference. I don't take for granted things like this at all, because I never had my own desk chair. I've always had like a dining room chair or a fold-up chair. Sit at the desk and on my computer for hours at a day. Like I'm always on my phone, always on the computer. Now I have a comfortable chair. Got it on sale. The wait was worth it, y'all. Last thing are the art prints. I never realized how expensive artwork can be. Not only are you purchasing the art prints, but then you gotta print them out and then you gotta find the frames to fit them. So usually it's either the frames or the artwork that's expensive. I'm just trying to find like 11 by 18 art frames. It's not gonna cost me an arm and a leg. And the last two things left are the curtains and a rug. Since my office already has like this popcorn nude rug, the typical rug you get inside of an apartment, I've been going back and forth whether I want something layered over it. I thought maybe like something by 5 by 7. The rug that I saw in Target, I used the is it AR program where you can see it right in front of you. So I was playing with the sizing and seeing how that would look in my space. I think there's more blue in this rug than anything, and I have less blue in the room, so I'm not sure if that's what I want, but I do like the design on the rug. I thought about a round circular rug, specifically a jute rug, and then for my curtains I'm going for a neutral, almost ivory type of color. I absolutely love these pink curtains so much. It's just that I want this room to feel a little bit more mature. So the last three things that I need for this space are curtains, a rug, and the art print and art frames. This one is very, very pretty. It has all the colors in my office. It's an oval shape. So I'm gonna keep looking, but I think I really want that rug. I said this before, rugs are an investment, y'all. It is not something that you rush. It takes time. It takes a lot of money. You wanna be patient with yourself and go into this with a plan. Figuring out what size you need and the purpose of it. In total, I went through 5 different rugs, y'all. I think out of this whole entire makeover, this was probably the most overwhelming part. So the style that I was going for was the boho theme, but I also knew that I wanted it to be large enough so that my desk could be on top of it, or I can put it in the center of the room. So either I would find something that was decorative and really pretty, but not in stock, or I would find it in stock, but it was so large or super expensive. So trying to find that medium was so hard, but none of them was the right one. Oh, y'all, they have this light bulb that I wanted. It's huge. I think I'm gonna get it. How much is it? $40. Which one do you think I should get? And ironically, this one is $10 more than this one. I'm not sure why. Between the two lamps, the one that I ended up picking up was $50 and the other one was only $40. I'm not sure why. They're practically the same. But when I got to the register, it actually was on sale for $29.99. And then I had my birthday coupon, which was additional 35% off. Okay, so this is the next space that I'm going to be making over. I asked you all over on Instagram if I should put a mirror or shelving in this space. So I just picked up this mirror from Target. I did I don't know if you want to call it a curbside pickup, but I just went to the store and picked it up, ordered it online. And I'm so happy about this mirror. I asked you all over on Instagram if I should put shelving or mirrors above my pink dresser. But many of you all said a mirror, and some of you all said shelving. But because there is a fire alarm right here, I don't want to block that. This fire alarm is in such an awkward spot. I wish it was even a little higher, or maybe even over the closet door. So I decided to go against the shelving because anything that I put on top of it would just block it. If you ever have anything heavy, this is a wall hook that you can put into the wall to hang heavy items. Just make sure you know the weight of the item that you're hanging, but it's so simple. You just literally screw it into the wall and hook the object to it. My rug came early, really early, so y'all crossing my fingers because I hope that I don't have to return this and find another one. Like, I am so over looking for rugs. This rug just really added the texture this room needed. Y'all, I couldn't separate myself from the pink curtains. They just added this brightness to the room that the neutral nude color just wouldn't do. So I'm gonna DIY the curtains by adding some tassels. I created an entire video on how to make tassels and apply them to products. I'll link it above. Adding a couple of handmade tassels to the curtains made it feel more personal, drew in that bohemian vibe, which is what I'm going for. is all for this makeover, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this refresh. I know I had a lot of fun putting it together. It really embodies who I am as a person. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And as always, I will talk to y'all later.